Entirely too good for me to have around. Superb flavor, texture, appearance. I can't control my eating. Not good for diet if attempting to lose weight. Absolute perfection, in my opinion. This Nutella is amazingly good to eat right out of the jar. Kids love it on their peanut butter sandwiches, pancakes, crepes, donuts, and you just cannot eat it wrong. The greatest product of all time. Highly recommend. Where has this been my whole life? How come I never tried Nutella until now? 33 years old. Lol, it was delicious and now I'm officially addicted. Update: it's been a few months and non-stop Nutella ingesting, and I have serious gained 20 pounds. Not kidding, no joke. Well, I now won't eat it anymore even though I love the stuff. Just a buyer beware, it's addicting and fattening. Hi, I'm Rogan. I would defiantly recommend this chocolate peanut butter because it has made my life better on a whole new level. I wouldn't be able to wake up every day if it weren't for this food. The crunchiness it has makes me feel at home because my life is crunchy. Smile, I love you so much Nutella, and for that I would like to marry you. It may seem like a step up from what our relation was, but I think it is time so. Nutella Brutella Comasquio, will you make me the happiest person in the world and marry me? When you get to the end of the jar, don't bother trying to scrape it clean. Instead, heat some milk, pour it in, screw the lid on tight and shake it hard until the remainder is well mixed. Empty into a mug and enjoy. First off, if you've tried Nutella, you either love it or you don't, and I have nothing more to say to you that you don't already know about its texture and taste. This review is aimed at people who haven't tried it. The primary ingredient is sugar, followed by vegetable oil, then hazelnuts, 13%, then fat-reduced cocoa 7.4%, then skimmed milk powder 6%, whey powder, soy lecithin, emulsifier, and vanillin, flavoring. So Nutella isn't exactly the healthiest snack food in the world. The product is 70% sugar and oil by weight. So spread it thin, please, as it really doesn't have much nutritional value in terms of protein or fiber. It's pretty much just a candy bar in a jar. But it sure tastes good if you like chocolate. The texture depends entirely on the ambient temperature. Click link in description for more reviews.